What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Bass and Pressure. Now today, as you can see, I'm out here kayak fishing again. We're out here on my marina kayak fishing. Hopefully we can catch some big bass. So if you want to see some big fish, stick around to the end of the video. Alrighty guys, so I am going to start off with a topwater frog here. I did go fishing yesterday. Today is, let's check the date really quick. Today is July 28th, Monday, and 2 days ago I went fishing in the Potomac. I went deep into the pads, was topwater fishing the entire day. I missed like a 3-pounder, and then a 5-pounder blew up on my frog, and they were all bass. And sadly, there was no fish in that video, so I'm not going to post a video with no fish because that's boring. But I am going to start off with the topwater frog here, and it does have some burn marks and scratch marks on it already. Alrighty guys, so we have made it to this mouth here of a little pocket or cove or whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna fish the mouth of it and then go into it, fish the mouth of it for like maybe like 10-15 minutes, fish the actual inside of it for like 10-15 minutes, nothing, move spots, because don't stay somewhere if there's no fish there. That's wasting time of the day. I mean, these fish should be tied up against the bank, but so far I haven't caught anything fishing the bank. Oh, I just had one dump it. He had it, okay. First bite of the day. He had it though, I felt him. It was a really small fish though. He machine gun tapped it. I was not ready for that. He might still be there. Well, fishing the mouth of it so far is successful. As soon as it fell and I dragged it a little bit, he bit it. It was a really small fish though. Really small fish though. Come on, I told you guys it was a fish. I told you guys it was a fish. I told you guys it was a fish, and I told you guys it was a small fish. I told you guys it was a fish, and I told you it was a small fish. What did I tell you? This little monkey. I gave him some slack. The slack threw him off, and I just nailed him. Just like that, baby. First fish of the day. Small dink, but hey, I'll take this. I'll take anything to prevent the skunk today. I told you it was a small fish though. I told you guys, I'm not lying. But beautiful little fish right here. I'm not gonna weigh him because he's really small. But yeah, nice little fish. Nice. I'm gonna get a thumbnail picture just in case I don't catch anything else today. Alrighty guys, here's a little fish, not even a pound. 8, smash my worm right there. Just let him go. Even though he's a dink, we still gotta give him a good release. And Buddy just hit an emote on me. They always do that. The small ones always do that to me, man. But let's go. Fish number 1. Alrighty. Let's get in there. Let's get in the deep stuff. I'm getting bit right now. And I don't want to fluke hit the hook because I know my bait's going to rip if I do. I've been snagged there so many times, but if there actually is a fish back there, I don't want to miss the chance, you know? And another thing about these cardigan bugs is that they skip really well because they're flat, but it's not going to skip as good if you don't peg your weight. No way, I got one right below me. I got one right below me. Right below me. I caught a fish right below my kayak and he got hooked right in the eye, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, buddy. Nah, he's gonna live. Okay. Fish number 2, guys. Another dink, but man, right below my kayak. Let's go. Ready, set, go. Alright, I thought he was gonna do a little backflip right there. Right below the kayak. Literally right below me. And it didn't rip. No, it did rip. See how the tip is already broken like that? I don't really like that. Alrighty guys, we're here in the other corner of this spot here. And I feel like there should be a fish here, because all these fish are really shallow so far. My first fish came in like 4 feet of water. This fish came in like 5. So it's relatively shallow, it's not that deep. I could stand up and touch the bottom where I caught my fish. Whoa, something's right there. Something's right there. I saw it just jump and dart out. Take a cast right here. Another small fish. I knew there was one over here. Again in the, not the eyeball, just the, okay. Alright guys, fish number 2, fish number 3. I saw one jumping over here and that's why I casted it there. Really aggressive though, see what I mean? The small ones are the aggressive ones. Another dink, but I mean fish number 3. He's probably gonna emote on me. Nope, but he jumped a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put these Guggen baits, the Trench Hog Junior. So these are the 4.65 inches, the small ones. I mean, small fish use small bait. I mean, if I throw that jig, I might catch a nice fish, but I've been getting snagged a lot with the jig right now, so the Texas rig might be the best move for me right now. Just gonna Texas rig it normally, and these baits are so soft, they're very not durable, but they have good action. So soft bait that rips really easily equals good action, but you gotta sacrifice to gain something. You can't have both. And if somebody invented a lure that was so soft and durable that had good action, they'd be really expensive. And I know you're thinking Z-Man, but Z-Man, they're not that soft, they're just stretchy. So sometimes they don't even have good action. I've used Z-Man and I don't like them personally. And all of Z-Man baits float. I have to put such a heavy weight on there to make a little worm sink. So that's why I don't like Z-Man. I don't own anything Z-Man. I know it's not a gimmick because it actually works. You know, they advertise it as the super stretchy, indestructible bait, which yes it is. But again, you have to sacrifice good action for a more durable bait. And I know some of you guys use Z-Man. Like, maybe you don't, maybe you do. But for those of you that do, I mean, keep using it. If you like it, then use it. You know, it's just me personally, I don't like Z-Man. Alright, let's catch this fish this time. How do you not have it? How do you miss it? Like, put it in your mouth and keep it in there. Also, I think it has to do with the fact that my rod action is not ideal for this, so I can't penetrate their mouth. These fish are all over where there's rocks. That's why these bass are here. Because there's a ton of bluegill and crawfish in these rocks. Just saw a clump of bluegill and little minnows all up in these rocks. And there's just boulders and rocks all over this spot. It's funny because I can feel him biting it. Like, I don't even know if I should be wasting my time with it. You want proof that it's a fish? Look at this. Look at this. I'm not even fixing it. I'm just throwing it back in there because, I mean, he's biting it for a reason because he wants it, but he can't. If he can't eat it, I don't know why he's still trying. I promise you this fish is smaller than my part, bro. This fish... There's no way this fish is eating it. How is he this small? How is it this small? I got him. Told you, bro, it was a small fish. Told you it was a small fish. I told you guys it was a small fish. I told you guys it was a small fish. I told you guys it was a small fish. Look at this thing. I mean, look at how small it is. Told you it was a small fish. Told you so. Told you so. My Texas rig probably weighs more than him, bro. Alrighty guys, let's throw a cast in here with my speed craw. I'm literally still in the same spot, I just moved a little bit further down it. Thought it was a fish. bite fish. Oh my gosh, bro, it's so consistent. So consistent. Another machine gun tapper. Another machine gun tapper. I'm telling you, another machine gun tapper. Another bank, sandy, rocky, shallow. I got a jig on though. This jig has good action. Really good action. And paired with that craw, Biggie Craw Jr. as my trailer, it looks so good. Oh, that was a fish. It literally tugged it. It didn't even... I've never felt a jig bite like that. It just picked it up and just ran with it. It just straight up picked it up and ran with it. He might still be there though. It'd be great if this wind could just stop. Come on. Finally a nice fish. Finally a nice fish. No! He flopped out the kayak, but that counts. I touched him. That counts. I touched him. That counts. I touched him. He flopped out, but I touched him. He counts. Sorry you guys didn't get a good look at him. Not my fault. He flopped out. Nothing I can do about that, but that's fish number 5, I think. I think it's fish number 5. It might be fish number 4, but I'm pretty sure it's fish number 5. On the jig. Hey, I know he flopped out, but I touched him. I grabbed him. You guys saw him. Again, shallow, rocky bottoms is what's catching me fish right now. And that's the fish that I missed like a couple minutes ago right now. I got another one right off the bat. He popped off. Alrighty guys, just caught this little bass. Stopped filming because my SD card got full. Let's get the release on the Texas rig worm. There he goes. Alrighty guys, I switched to a Ned rig, fishing the same spot that I was in the morning, and I caught a little bass on the Ned rig. There he goes. Alrighty guys, another fish on the Ned rig. This one's actually a pound. First decent fish of the day. Let's go. There he goes guys, on the Ned rig. Alrighty guys, just caught fish number, I don't keep track, I forgot. I've caught so many fish today, but this fish ate my Ned rig, and look at how he ate it. Look how small he is, and look how he ate the Ned rig. And he tore my worm off. But anyways guys, fish number, I don't remember, but look how small he is. There he goes. Well guys, I had a lot of fun today. The baits that caught me fish were the jig and the Texas rig. And I put a ton of different baits on the Texas rig. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more amazing videos from me, like, subscribe to see all my uploads. And as always, stay positive, stay happy, and go catch some more fish. Peace.